What's going on, guys? Drop my Gatorade. What's going on, guys? We're out here today, this morning, Monday, June 24th. Pretty light day today. We were supposed to have 2 washes, but the one guy canceled on us yesterday. So it's kind of lame. And it was 3 minutes from our only wash now today. But we are going to a quote this morning, so I'm just gonna see if maybe we can close a same day wash and quote. So that's what we're about to do. I'm kind of just waiting on Matt to arrive today, and yeah, trailer's all ready to go, and we will see you guys maybe at the quote or while we're doing the wash today. But yeah, it should be a pretty easy day today. Both these houses, or the second house is a ranch, so we love washing ranches. Very straightforward stuff. So yeah, and the owner won't be there, so he's paying me virtually, which is I don't know, I kind of like it when they aren't there in the morning, or not in the morning, but in general. You go there, you just kind of do your thing and you leave. You don't have to mess around with all the talking and everything of that sort. But yeah, so taking old Bissy out today, as always, actually. But yeah, guys, we'll see you at the job. Alrighty, guys, and so we did end up closing the deal on the spot for a house wash today. This client, give you guys a quick little walkthrough of the property. So the main side that we're looking at, over here, let's see, back side here, you just see some underneath here, and then we've got the final side over here. It's up on a hill today. The client was worried we were going to be getting out ladders and stuff. We do not usually do that. Just pinched my finger on the hose reel, so that's awesome. But yeah, we're getting everything set up now. We're gonna start washing this thing. Alrighty, guys, so Matt is currently prepping the property to be sprayed down. Basically try and go at least 2 sides at a time, always just starting on the shaded side, so the sun is on the other side currently, and found it's best to start where the sun is not, so that way it doesn't dry as quick. So yeah, we're just gonna be washing this thing down. You can see all those black streaks, all that stuff's gonna be gone here in a minute. Alright, guys, so we are at property number 2 here now, filling up the tanks with Matt. Just finished up the first one. That one was supposed to just be a straight quote, and then we ended up doing the work the same day, which I mentioned before, which is pretty cool. Love it when that happens. We weren't super packed with our schedule today, so I also forgot to do a walk around video of that last spot. But yeah, so we've got pretty much a full house wash here, ranch style property. I think I'm gonna put on the timer, see how fast we can actually do it. I've seen people do that on YouTube before. But yeah, here's the main side that we got going on. Nice build up there. Definitely see the issues. Client did ask me if I could wash his back patio. Haven't seen it yet. Here's the first look at the back patio. Nice. Yeah, so we'll definitely be able to take care of this today. So this will be a great transformation. But yeah, guys, we're gonna start washing this thing out. Like I said, I forgot to take a video of the final product of the last house. I took a photo of the sides, the before and after, so got the photo. I'll probably throw that in here. But yeah, this should be a pretty fun one with that back patio. That'll be a good add-on to our day. You know, it's always great to upsell, so this will probably be like a 20% upsell, 25% upsell on the property. So yeah, I usually don't really discuss pricing too much, but we are washing this house for $500 today. Ranch style house. I quoted him virtually, and I want to make sure that, you know, we had some work. So yeah, quote $500 for the property. Probably say about $200 for this back patio area for the day. So probably finish out this house with $700, I would say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call the client now and let him know. He said there were pavers. I really don't, I mean, he could use a little, but I told him, you know, if we clean the pavers, then we're gonna have to kind of wash the whole thing, or do the whole 9 yards with the sand and seal. So we'll see if we end up washing the pavers or just the concrete. So maybe I'll record the phone call. Actually, I will. I'll sit back here and call him right now. Alrighty guys, let's see how quickly we can get this one done. I'm gonna record the phone call with the client, and you guys kind of know how I talk on the phone, I guess. So yeah, I think it's gonna be best if we do just the concrete and not the sand.
Okay.
In between the pavers and stuff, just for the day.
Okay.
But yeah, like this concrete space, usually if someone called me out here to like just do the concrete, you know, not like a house or anything, I'd probably charge like $250. Since we're here already, I could probably just do it for $200 for the day.
Okay.
On this back, and that would include like the stoop here as well,
Okay.
the steps, and
All right. Why don't you just do that with the house, and then I'll be at 700 with you, right?
yeah, that would be 700 for the day. Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, great.
Good.
Then
I appreciate it.
yeah, I'll take some. Alrighty guys, so we finished with the house wash. Like I said, we did add on the patio, so that's pre-treating right now, but the house is all clean. And we wasted some time pre-treating this before taking the video of the house, so I'd probably say about 40 minutes. We're done with the house wash, and I'm gonna keep this thing rolling, and we're gonna see how quick we can do, not how quick, how efficient we can do this cement space here. We're not going to be washing the bricks because he doesn't want to do the sand and seal, and I don't feel comfortable power washing it without knocking out all the sand. So we did pre-treat it, so all this stuff should basically just come off. Did that for him, but yeah, we're not going to be power washing the whole thing. So yes sir, see how fast we can do the rest of it now. Peace.
All right, guys, so we got our post treat going on here. We pulled out the soft wash hose because when you post treat, technically you want to be using more than like 3% or 3%. So I think I'm pulling like 6.5 right now, but just wanted to do a real quick one over with this. So pretty simple. We just coat the surface. Whatever soap sprayer you got. This one is a $3 tip. The tip, not actual tips, but the tip of the pressure washer is $3 at Walmart. It was on sale. Easy little soap nozzle. That smells SAG. Do a little one over on his blocks for him. That was not included in the power wash. We were not hitting these pavers today because they were redoing this thing, but we wanted to get this stuff clean. So. Alrighty guys, that will do it for this property. And alrighty guys, so all in all, with power washing, rinsing down the house, everything, we were at 1 hour and 31 minutes as it just showed there. Took a little bit longer. We were making these videos, we were doing the tripod, and we used the wand on this whole thing. What I was saying, yeah, took us about an hour and a half. We were messing around with the camera footage. This was our last wash, scheduled wash for the day, so just wanted to make a little bit more content. And it's about 12:30 in the afternoon right now, so we're done for the day. I'm gonna head home. Here's our finished patio. Still wet, but much better than how it was looking previously. So good stuff there. And yeah guys, we'll see you, I don't know, I'll probably make an outro, but peace.